Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to integrate Stripe with Supabase. First, make sure you already have a Supabase project and a Stripe account. Once both are ready, open your Supabase project dashboard. On the left side, find and click on the Integration section. Inside Integrations, go to the search bar and search for Stripe Sync Engine. When you find it, click the Install button to start the setup. Next, Supabase will ask for a Stripe API key. Go to your Stripe dashboard and open the Developer section. Create a restricted API key instead of using your full secret key. This is more secure and limits access only to the data Supabase needs. Copy the restricted key and paste it into the Supabase integration setup. Confirm and continue. After you provide the API key, the sync process starts automatically. Supabase will first perform a backfill. This means it will copy all your existing Stripe data, such as customers, products, prices, subscriptions, and invoices, into your Supabase database. After that, real-time syncing is enabled. Supabase listens to Stripe webhooks in the background and updates your database whenever something changes in Stripe. Once syncing is complete, open the database section in Supabase. You will see a new schema called Stripe. Inside this schema, there are tables that match your Stripe data. Thanks for watching.